Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi ukuthenga izinto eziveliswe kweli kunegalelo elikhulu kuhlumo loqoqosho noluphansi koxinzelelo.
We can and we should all choose to buy local. By buying local, we are supporting livelihoods, small business development and job creation. We are supporting investment in research, in new technology and in innovation. As long as we are producing quality, locally made goods, we should also be buying them.
Uthi intsholongwane COVID-19 iyaveza ithuba elikhulu kwicandelo lemveliso.
In the space of just 2 years, through collaboration and out of necessity, we managed to build local production capability in ventilators, hand sanitizers, medical grade face masks and gloves, as well as vaccines and therapeutic drugs and anesthetics.
Uthi icandelo zobugcisa kweli lidlala indima ephambili kwihlabathi njengoko isakhono sabemi beli sibonwa lihlabathi liphela.
The output of our creative industries is also extensive. Day by day, our artists are gaining new audiences around the world. We see, for example, the runaway success of Amapiano and how it is part of the music scene in many parts of the world. More and more locally produced films are being seen on screens across the globe and on the world's largest streaming platforms. Whether it's in music, literature, art or fashion, South Africans are setting trends both locally and beyond our borders.
Kodwa uthi nangona kubalulekile ukukhuthaza abemi beli baxhasa amashishini eli, kufuneka nohulumente ehlise umthwalo koosomashishini ngokubaxhasa ngezimali kokunye nezakhono. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndinguxolisile noJoko eRhawutini.